Moodle is a virtual learning environment which is used comprehensively at London campus to house all the teaching materials for our courses. Moodle can be accessed online, anywhere in the world, by typing moodle.coventry.ac.uk/CULC into the address bar of an internet browser. Students can access London campus Moodle by putting their IT username and password, that's the same as the ones you use to connect to the Wi-Fi, in these two boxes here. You'll note on the main page of the London campus Moodle site there is site news, which basically houses information about the campus, what's going on, whether something's shut or open or something's moved. That's even before you log in. When you log into Moodle, all the modules that you're being taught that term will appear in a list on the main page. To access a module within Moodle, simply click the blue link. Most module pages in Moodle are structured exactly the same, with some information about the module at the top under your faculty team, some assignment information, we'll come back to that in a minute, and then 10 units of work, one for each week of the term, below that. If we now go into actually Unit 1 or Week 1, we can see that there's information specific to each unit of work, to each week during the term. And this usually comprises of 4 pages, an introduction to Unit 1, the required reading, and what you're actually going to do in the module. If you go to page 2, it's the knowledge cast page, or the presentations from the knowledge cast will be, you can download them from here. There's also further information about guest lectures and that sort of thing. If you go to page 3, there's information about the seminar that week, and finally page 4 will show you what you're doing in your group activity. You will note there's also a discussion forum on each of the units of work where you can discuss the unit of work with other students and your tutors. Any supplementary information, so for example there's a guest lecture that the tutor wanted the students to see, will be placed in and around the unit of work. As mentioned before, there's some information about the whole module right at the top under your faculty team. There's a welcome message which just gives you a bit of background information about what you're actually going to be doing in the module. There's a module guide which houses a lot of information. It houses the learning outcomes for the module, the units and what they're titled, the assessments and how you'll be assessed, including the rubrics where you'll be marked against these criteria here. And finally at the bottom, the required reading for the whole module, some key terms, and usually some information about how to contact your tutors. This announcements section here is used by the tutors of the module to give information to the students. Each module usually has 2 assignments per term, and these are listed at the top under assignment 1 and end of module assignment or assessment. In this instance, the first assignment was a wiki. And if you click on the actual assignment link, you'll notice that you get some information about what you've got to submit for your assignment. And you'll also have some information about your marks and your feedback. This concludes the Introduction to Moodle video.